Are you trying to crack that affiliate marketing success code, but your bank account, still looks like this with 0 sales? And when it comes to getting traffic to your offers and websites, you check the stats and all you hear is crickets. Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal the 3 things you need to easily generate a full-time income no matter what your experience, without you needing to create a product or be, some sort of guru. Now, if you keep doing what you're currently doing, then maybe your ambition is to, own a fancy house like this one, or a real nice car like this one. Now, if that's all you're trying to achieve, then by all means, keep buying those overhyped $10 push-button softwares. But if you want to see real success, then write down these 3 important things that you need to be successful. Plus, if you stick around, I'm going to tell you how you can get access to some free training, in-depth training, and gain access to a complete ecosystem that does all the selling for you and sends you completely free traffic. So thing number 3 is you need to start building an audience. You need an audience before you even worry about looking for a product to promote. Now, this could be an audience you build on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and the list goes on. Okay, so thing number 2 is that you need to use that audience to build an email list. Now, this is going to allow you to truly generate an income whenever you send out an email. This allows you to connect with your audience in 2 ways, which is what's key when it comes to being successful online. Now, the final thing you need, and just before I reveal that, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button to get more free training, tips, and methods so I can continue to help you see success online. Okay, the number 1 thing you need is you need to use your audience to promote a product that has a pre-built ecosystem which does all the selling for you and pays you recurring commissions, plus sends you additional free traffic. So when you make a sale and you earn, say, $100 commission, you'll actually get paid that same amount every single month. You just do the work once and get paid month in and month out forever. Now, as promised, if you look below in the description of this video, or if you go to my channel, you'll see a link that will allow you to get free access to the in-depth free training. Plus, you can access an entire ecosystem that does all the selling for you and pays you recurring commissions. And on top of that, you'll actually receive 100% free traffic as well. So if you want to fast track your success and start generating commissions, then you really need to check out this training. Click the link in that description below and on my channel's homepage if you want to go over there and gain access while you can get that free training and while it's still available. So go ahead and do that now, and remember to subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. I'll see you in my next video.